watch out. Hey. Whoa.
Guys, welcome to Weta Workshop Unleashed. It is an absolute pleasure to have you guys all here today.
Good enough. This is for the vlog. For the vlog. From the screen to the ring. From the screen to the ring. To the ring.
Sounds really creative.
I'm hearing creativity. Ooh! Creativity in progress. This is for the vlogs. Ooh. Creativity. You're too creative. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Further than our mother creature at the moment, please hang in this side of our space. She has kind of been known to reach down and pluck people from the ground, so keep that in mind when you're hanging on this side. But otherwise, feel free.
He's laughing. Damn, you're moving a lot just with the smallest movements. Wait, Toby. So... Wait, is this the bottom teeth? Ugh.
The lip.
Lab. Lab. It's a bit laggy, I gotta say. Oh, and. Oh, okay. Wait, you didn't get a filter. That's so sad. No, come back. Get a filter. Oh, look, they're getting you. They're getting you. They're getting you. Oh, no, they weren't. Hey, get out of here. Get. Hey. Oh. Should the vlog
We do a little vlogging.
Be in landscape or in portrait?
I think portrait. MTV!
TV crib.
We got.
Tommy's boy. Our little guy.
Get to work.
Get to work. Okay, I can't. Oh, I actually don't think I should move with him.
No, you can't move.
My bad.
Anyone
bitch.
want duck for dinner?
I haven't named him yet. I really need to. So I want to go on the throne at some point.
Yeah. No. Oh my god. Yeah. Ah.
Well, another.
Oh, hell yeah.
Don't go in here. If he can, he's so bad at balancing. Oh my god. Look at him go.
Pose. Cute, yes.
Stop video.
Duck.
Alright, throne time over, throne time over. Do you want to go on the throne?
I want to put Flu on the throne.
He is royalty.
Wait, yeah, Tommy, you.
You can knight him. Wait, I'll record it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious.
Can Flu be my husband?
Yeah, definitely. No! What? From this person, Flu.
Oh my god. Can I know them? You are now awesome.
Oh yeah.
You are now awesome.
Guys, I am now awesome sauce apparently.
You were always awesome, so.
That's what I said, but they didn't believe me.
Oh.
So,
Why didn't they believe you?
I don't know.
Really close and personal.
Hey, my bubble. A personal bubble.
Your personal bubble.
Do you want?
This is M.
Hi, I'm in.
Oh my god.
Hi, Sophie. Hi.